How to use Zed Text Editor. Download and install the Zed Text Editor from the official website for your operating system. Open the Zed Editor and sign in or create an account to sync your settings and enable collaboration features. To start coding, create a new file or open an existing project from the sidebar File Explorer. Customize your editor by choosing your preferred theme and key bindings for a pleasant coding environment. Use the left sidebar to navigate files, access Git integration for version control, and manage extensions for language support. Take advantage of Zed's AI-powered completion and transformations by typing in your code and using AI Assistant panel. Collaborate in real time by opening the collaboration panel via the keyboard shortcut Command-Shift-C to share your workspace with teammates. Utilize the outline panel to easily navigate through functions, classes, and other code structures by toggling it from the command panel. Save files manually or configure autosave preferences to keep your work updated seamlessly. Explore the settings JSON file for deeper customization of your editor environment and workflow enhancements. Subscribe.